Transposing into different keys. An essential skill. Cue the music. Alright, so today we're going to be talking about transposing into other keys. This is great for your ear, and it's great for your fingers, and it's great for everything about your playing. So, check it out. You have to do this in order to get comfortable in all the keys. So this is essential for your playing. You're going to have keys that you're weak in, and then you're going to have other keys that you're really strong in. It's a part of music. So we want to make sure that those keys we're weaker in, we're building those up. In order to do that, let's make it fun. Let's transpose into different keys using melodies we know, lines from our heroes that we enjoy playing. At the beginning there I played Anthropology. Now that was just the first 2 bars of Anthropology, and I enjoy that line. So I just played it up in half steps. I've transposed the whole tune into all 12 keys, and am working to get that, fast in all 12 keys, because there's so much valuable language in there. Not only is it valuable language to play in with your improvisation, use those ideas for your improvisation, but it's also valuable bebop language just to have your ear wrapped around. And if you learn it in all keys, you have everything covered, which is pretty rad. So the trick to transposing is to create a number system for the notes you're playing. So for instance, let's take an easy example like Jingle Bells. Jingle Bells starts on the 3rd, so we're going to use 3 for that. So if you can think of Jingle Bells, right? Ba 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 ba, right? Make those all numbers. Now I know it's just these numbers off the top of my head because I've played Jingle Bells 1,000 times, but it's 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 5 1 2 3, and now you can take just the beginning of Jingle Bells and play it in every key, because you know the numbers, and if you know what numbers correspond to the scale, you can transpose into any key. So you're not thinking to yourself, oh, A, then it goes to C, then to the F, or if you're in a key you're not familiar with, you're not thinking, you're just thinking numbers. You're just thinking the number of that scale. So you should know your scales in this regard to be able to transpose, which I'm sure you all do. If you don't, we'll go over scales and we'll get some more familiar with those. But know your major scales, and this transposing thing becomes a lot easier as you get involved with it. Now when you start doing bebop, or you start transposing some of your transcriptions you're doing, then you got to use a little bit different system. You can still use that number system, but you may want to tweak it a little bit, and I'm gonna put another video out on that. So your assignment is to transpose something meaningful to you, something you're into. Let's say you're practicing a standard. Start transposing that into different keys. So if you're practicing Autumn Leaves, transpose Autumn Leaves into maybe 2 or 3 different keys. Really get that melody under your fingers and into your ears on different keys, because that is going to make the original key that much easier to play. And you're going to get a lot more out of this activity than you might if you're just noodling around for a half an hour. So try it out. Take whatever you're playing right now, and try transposing it into the different keys, and use that number system to give yourself a little help. And I promise you, this will help you far beyond all the noodling. Alright? Until next time, stay positive, stay progressing. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Leave any comments below, and I will link up some standards I think you should check out below. Alright? Check those standards out. Maybe start transposing them into different keys. Alright. Later.